extended to us by your government and the people of Israel to reiterate our long-standing relations between our two countries, which you have ably spoken to, and to assure you that my visit to Israel is part of the consolidation of our relationship. Long-standing, fruitful, mutually beneficial relationship. We have a great history together. Going back to 60 years, we always remember our first president, President Jomo Kenyatta, laid the foundation for the Israel embassy 2 days after our independence.
Amazing.
It was the first such event for any country, underscoring the relationship between Kenya and Israel that was there even before our independence. So, and that relationship has been built over time. We now have 22 MOUs, the largest memorandum of understanding with any country, that has expanded our relations, deepened our ties, and from education to agriculture to defense and many other areas. We have many people trained in Israel in our agricultural sector. We have huge cooperation in our defense and intelligence that has enabled us to deal with the challenge of terrorism and to improve our training of our security personnel. And Mr. President, I am looking forward to elevating these relations to a new level, that you and I can superintend over a new phase of greater and deeper understanding and cooperation between our two countries. We have an additional 8 MOUs that are being worked on in different sectors. I am very keen on matters to do with health. As you